Good afternoon, Chet Porter with MarineMax Savannah. I want to tell you about this 2015-19 Montauk that we just took in on trade. Good looking boat, low hours. Rails are nice and clean. It's got the live well, Fusion stereo with the upgraded J&L audio speakers. Got storage underneath the leaning post. The boat's clean, no scratches or gouges in the hull. It does not have a trailer. We can have a trailer available for you if needed. Unsinkable Boston whaler quality. Boat will last you forever. If you have any questions, give us a call, 912-897-9881. MarineMax Savannah, 2015-19 Montauk. Thank you.